What's up, my royal flush? Today's video, yes, I am in my holy shirt, my shirt that I sleep in most nights, not every night. Most nights I sleep in this shirt, and it's my day off. It's raining outside, y'all. Today has just been a lazy day, and I'm just excited. Something's wrong with my microphone, as y'all can tell from my last videos and from this one. I'm trying to like work with it in Final Cut Pro. I'm trying to like work with it so it's not so bad and it's like more bearable. But I'm going to be using the mic on the camera until I order a new one this week or next week. So y'all just bear with me. So in today's video, I'm about to try to apply these masks real quick before we actually get into the actual video. And I'm filming this after the act. Is dripping shit on me? Like, what the fuck? Okay, well, I'm guessing which part goes under your eye? Okay, so the bigger one goes under here. Let me show y'all. So the bigger one, I guess, goes under here. So I'm about to just apply these real. This tastes nasty. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. It says I'm supposed to leave it under my eye for 30 minutes. Now I'm looking really crazy. But in today's video, it's going to be a highlighter review video of the Wet n Wild highlighters. Not all of them, just one of them, because I did not see them all. I only saw one. And like, wow, which is kind of crazy. But, ooh, the junk is not staying. How do y'all do my eye mask? How? Okay. With that being said, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button because it really helps a lot. And also that big thumbs up. That thumbs up helps creators a lot. It really does. Helps us creators a lot. So go ahead and hit that. And hit that bell notification button to be notified for my future uploads. And with that being said, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination.
Guys, so I pretty much have it on my nose, and my nose is looking pretty fucking snatched right now. So what I'm about to do is dust off all this powder, and I'm about to just start applying it to my face. My nose is looking fucking snatched, y'all. I'm going to take my Makeup Shack T39 brush and just go in. So I'm about to be setting my face with the Morphe Prep Set. No, it's called the Continuous Setting Mist. Oh yeah. And I'm about to just set my whole face with this. Yeah. It's still kind of trying to dry. Wow, this is pretty. I'm surprised I've never picked up one of their highlighters before. For blush, I'm about to go in with the Milani Dolce Pink blush. I'm about to just take my blush brush and I'm just about to go in. It's a baked blush, but it's pink. I'll contour together. I look real bright up under the under eyes. Just don't ignore that. I probably put too much concealer up under my eyes. But for lips today, I'm going to go in with some Morphe liquid lipsticks. Y'all, when I swatched these on my arm, they looked so pretty. So I'm either going to take Jealousy or... No, Jealousy doesn't look... I'm going to take Peanut. I'm just going to apply that to my lips. Okay guys, so I just got finished with my whole face and it's looking pretty good. It's maybe like a couple of hours later and this highlighter is really good. Kind of like too light, of course, for my skin tone, but it's fine, y'all. Like, it still looks pretty good. Still, you know, still like it still looks pretty good. Like, I feel like this is very comparable to most of these other highlighters that are high end that I have. like my Anastasia highlighter that I just got, and also my Bretman Rock Morphe highlighting palette. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a very cheap and affordable highlighter that you guys need, just go pick up this Wet n Wild highlighter. Yeah, and with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and hit that like button and also that subscribe button if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in my next video.